everybody, Red Leaf here. I was gonna record a video called how to open your Minecraft world to L.A.N. I recorded it once, that time worked, but it cut off mid-video and I didn't have some of my audio for the first 19 seconds, so I decided not to upload it. Then I tried again, but it said try recording again, and then I couldn't record it, basically is what I'm trying to say by making this video. So, yeah. Basically, what you do is you would go into the server, push escape, then you would see back to game, then statistics, then it would say options, then open to L.A.N. Push that, then a pin code would come up, and you would have to remember that. Go open Spotlight search up settings, go to network, find your internet pin. Then you would go over to the other laptop that's connected to the same Wi-Fi as the one that you're playing on. Then you would do that. Well, type in the pin for your L.A.N. and then type in the pin code after putting a colon. So put a colon and then type in the pin code for your L.A.N. server. Then inside direct connect on multiplayer. Then you would then it should connect, basically. So that's how you open your world to L.A.N.